Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Sunday, February 2nd. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is something you have to make your body clean. Number 2 is when you take food into your mouth and then into your stomach. Please listen and write this in your notebook. You have a shower every day. You have a shower every day. Shower. Did you get it right? A shower is falling water and soap. Now we can make a card for shower. Please write shower up here in the top left corner. SHOWER. Down here the category. N1 regular, REG. N1 means noun, level 1. Over here the number 155 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Shower. Shower. What about you? How often do you have a shower? Let me know in the comments. Now word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer swallows water every day. Jennifer swallows water every day. Swallows. She moves water from her mouth to her stomach. Now let's make a flashcard for swallow. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. To swallow. We say to because this is a verb. Down here the code V1. This means verb, level 1. Over here the number 62 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Low. Swallow. A swallow is also a beautiful bird. Game over. It is time to go. Today we learned Bob has a shower every morning. And when you eat food, you put it in your mouth and then you swallow it. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is with a piece of string. You tie a. Very good. Number 2 is a huge animal in the ocean. Very good. And number 3 is to take out the old batteries and. Very good. The missing letters are N, L, L. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card. You can meet a partner and practice the words that you learn.